magandang di ba? Let's be positive early in the morning. Kasi pag hindi tayo positive, nakaka-apekto po ito sa buong araw natin. Sino may mga bago dito? May mga bago ba? Maliban yan sa iba. So, welcome po. At sa mga palagi pong nandito, maraming salamat sa inyo po sa walang sawang suporta at pagtangkilik ng ating farm.
Punong-puno po ng kagalakan ang ating seminaryo, ang SBD Tagaytay Community, ang SBD Laudato Si Farm, sa inyong pakikiisa, sa inyong presensya. And I'm sure the Holy Father is very happy if only he can watch our Zumba this morning to start our activities. Do you still want more? Ako nga kulang reverend
pagbalik na daw.
Pagbalik from the planting. Yes. And you know, today is the feast of the Our Lady of the Rosary. But very importantly, para sa gusto kong ibahagi yung hamon ng ating mahal na Santo Papa. When we celebrated the end of the season of creation last October 4, on that same day, he also published his second encyclical on the environment. The first one is titled Laudato Si, kaya ang pangalan ng farm natin is SBD Laudato Si Farm. But last October 4, he again published another document, Laudate Deum, Praise God. Ano ang laman ng dokumento na ito? Sabi niya, kulang pa ang ginagawa ng simbahan, kulang ang ginagawa ng mundo para tumugon sa hamon ng pag-aalaga ng kalikasan. This is not just an activity of tree planting, brothers and sisters, but please join us in this advocacy to challenge our government, to challenge and inspire our Catholic Church that the Laudato Si is not just about praying, saying something, but maybe do something together, concrete, to promote awareness that the young generation will not anymore have a safe home if we will not do something among us, starting now. And your participation this morning, I hope will also inspire you to do something in your respective situations. And this is the reason why, personally, I am very grateful that you are here to be with us. At sana po yung ating pagtitipon ngayon ay patuloy at pagkakaroon ng mas malaking impact sa mga taong nakakasalamuhan natin. Once again, we cannot thank you enough for your participation. I will not mention your name, but I know that the Blessed Mother is very happy because it is the mother of all creation. That's why we call her Mother. And we call our earth the Mother, the Mother. So let us continue the day with this disposition. Thanking God, thanking the Blessed Mother, and again, I thank you for your presence this morning. Welcome and God bless us all.
Thank you po, Father Sam. So malinaw po yun, no? Na itong ginagawa natin ay isang bilang pagtugon sa panawagan ng ating Santo Papa sa pangangalaga ng ating kalikasan. At sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, yun din po ang mismong rason kung bakit meron po tayong SBD Farm ngayon. Through the initiative of course, of our Rector, Father Sam Agcaracar SBD. At mga nakaraang taon po, nagkaroon din po ng mga bamboo planting dito po sa ating farm.
I wake up this morning, it's a brand new day.
Mapagpalang umaga po sa lahat. May I invite everyone, find your space to sway, listen to music, sway more, and then gathering energy in front of you, bending your body towards in front, and then form a ball. Feel the energy going to your God. And then open palm like a blossom, and then stand, and then bend, and then like a falling tree. So we repeat 4 times this kind of movement. So it's easy. Gathering energy, the music, listen the music, and then gathering energy towards in front of you until you feel the energy coming in your body, form a ball, and then put towards your God. And then press it, and then try to go up, look up, like a tree blossoming.
The grace, the love, and the mercy of God be with you all, and with your spirit. Today, we seek God's blessing on these plants that they may serve their purpose. Christ reminds us that unless the seed implanted in the earth and dies, it will not yield fruit. As these bamboo plants grow and cared for, may they be sign of humility and the new life that comes from God.
A reading from the book of the prophet Isaiah. Yet just from the heavens the rain and snow come down, and do not return there till they have watered the earth, making it fertile and fruitful, giving seed to the one who sows, and bread to the one who eats. So shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me empty, but shall do what pleases me, achieving the end for which I sent it. Yes, in joy you shall go forth, in peace you shall be brought home. Mountains and hills shall break out in song before you. All